Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Deasia. Deasia has been kind enough to share her story, to share her journey, and the hopes of maybe helping somebody else. And when they're doing their research, I'm sure the videos helped her as well, so she's paying it forward. So thank you again, Deasia, for that. I wanted to ask you, and I'm going to put your before pictures on the left here so people can really see the difference. Very, very impressive in terms of how you used to look and how you look now in terms of your hair. And I wanted to ask you about, your journey, and then ask you about what you thought of your results up to this point, being 1 year after surgery.
Okay. Starting off, this is something I've definitely wanted to do for some time now. Early on, from early childhood ages, I've definitely had a lot of issues with alopecia, traction alopecia being the kind just from tight braids, styling, and stuff like that over a long course of time, and it kind of just progressively got worse and worse throughout the years. So I was a little, I won't say skeptical, but just a little nervous to do it. At first, I reached out to Natural Transplants in the middle of 2020 when COVID first happened, and I had a consultation, but I was kind of nervous. But then last year, I decided to just go ahead and do it, and I'm definitely happy that I did it. I don't regret it at all.
Good.
The pain, the slight discomfort throughout the procedure is definitely worth it, for sure.
Good. And so if you could go back in time and tell your past self, you would say, do it. Absolutely, no questions.
I wish I would have did it the year before when I first started doing it.
And you had it done at the Maryland office, and but I couldn't be happier with your results. Let's actually model you off a little bit here. I can see what it looks like from the front. Can you just maybe put your head down slightly so we can see it from the top? Yep, there we go. Perfect. Hold it right there. Wow, what a difference between the before. Look how natural your hairline looks too, with those little peaks and little curves. Very, very cool. Nice and soft. Let's have you turn to one side or the other, either left or right.
Okay, so this is going to be my right.
Okay,
so
perfect. And then hold it there. Wow, and again, before and after. Kind of slowly bring it towards the middle again. There we go. And then let's see it from your left side. Perfect. I mean, that speaks for itself. Looking at your old pictures and looking at that. It's night and day. Any issues with your scar in the back, or, do you have to, does it limit you in any way?
No, not at all. And even when I first got the procedure done, and I was still wearing it very, very low. I mean, of course, there was a scar there, but I didn't have any keloid issues or anything like that. Of course, throughout the time, I did have some slight discomfort, but I think that also came just from the numbing areas. But as the months went on, it kind of slowly started to disappear, the discomfort. But other than that.
And then you forget it, and then you forget it's even there, right? And you just kind of move on. Okay, awesome. Well, Deasia, I could not be happier for you. Again, thank you for paying this forward. Enjoy your hair. Permanently, you'll have that hair. As long as you don't go back to those crazy traction hairstyles again, you'll be fine.
Right.
Love your hair. Keep it as natural as you can. Grow to some length if you want to. Do whatever you like. So, but thank you again for sharing your story, okay?
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.